Alright, SK Sweep Calibration. Bro, we having these long ass songs, bro. Calibration. What was the last shit? Fuck. Like Emancipation or some shit, bro. An announcement or some shit. Fuck. I'm gonna take over the coordination. Fuck, let me just look it up, bro. Ambassador. Fuck, big ass words.
Calibrated, fixing the G while I'm backing out aiming.
And I'm gonna bang. Queens! Whoa. Whoa, bro's originally from Queens or some shit? Whoa, that's news to me. This is Queen's Drill right here? Or is that a typo?
Beamers over, I had to calibrate it. Fixing the G while I'm backing out aiming. He had a bed, made him sleep on the pavement. Backing out throwing, hoping Jesus take him. Scap him, watch him hold his laceration. Hospital Betty there for operation. Find out the room, we gon' walk up and face him. Find me a nurse that is willing to lace him. Size him, I'm making space for the three. Like I saw Brody coming for the screen. I might come off the.
Oh, that's looking tough though. Laceration, calibration, laced them. That rhymed, right? Operation, face them. This ain't a bad rhyme scheme.
I heard he copped the clap before street, broke through at least 6 out the SUV. Doing shot that shit, knock his head off. That's like a F-33. Like I threw shots on convertible V. Still smoking no shot cause he should've bought weed. To the dot in this secret he seen. So flocking the witness while you intervene. Get out the way, I had a full of scene. Broke through on the flat, trying to fuck with the. Broke through on the flat, trying to fuck with the beat. I saw making better than routine. Now they got poked in the shot vaccine. I got my G and my G. Faithful to bro, moving like Marine. Came to that block, made a movie. Like niggas came back, made it me. Niggas is dissing for 1,000 streams. Like. Now they got poked in the shot vaccine. I got my G and my G. Faithful to bro, moving like Marine.
Wait, you said this fit is crazy? What, the navy blue Bape hoodie with the white tee underneath with the gray sweats isn't cutting it for you?
They got poked in the shot vaccine. I got my G and my G. Faithful to bro, moving like Marine. Came to that block, made a movie. Like niggas came back, made it me. Niggas is dissing for 1,000 streams. Like rapping need to leave their dreams. Beamers over, I had to calibrate it. Fixing the G while I'm backing out aiming.
What is brown? What is brown on his body? His skin? You talking about his skin is brown? The sweats is gray, bruh. That's brown to you? That brown is more skin complexion than the wall? Get your eyes checked.
Find out the room, we gon' walk up and face him. Find me a nurse that is willing to lace him. Size him up, making space for the 3. Like I saw Brody coming for the screen. I might come off the pick, throw a shot at his.
Do you not see this color right here, bro? This color is not brown. This is not brown. Are you stupid? Are you colorblind?
I heard he copped the clap
Controlling?
before at least 6 out the SUV. So a shot that shit, knock his head off.
Look at this guy.
And I'm gonna take out.
Interessante. Bro got a good rhyme scheme, bro. If he just put everything else together, it would be pretty cool. But it's the same emo over and over, lol. She was actually a visualizer, an actual music video with or freestyle. WSK, man, he didn't have no controversial bars this time. That's good. Getting better.